Have you ever checked your bank account on the 15th of the month and genuinely wonder where all your money went? Like, you didn't buy anything crazy. You didn't take a trip. You didn't splurge on something wild. But somehow, you're staring at a balance that makes zero sense. Here's the thing that kills me. According to a 2023 C+R research study, the average American household spends $167 per month on subscriptions alone. But when asked to estimate, people guessed around $80. We're literally underestimating our own spending by more than double. And that's just subscriptions. We haven't even touched food delivery, impulse Amazon purchases, or that gym membership you haven't used since February. The money isn't disappearing. It's leaking. Slowly. Silently. Every single month. My name is Mr. Key, and I spend way too much time thinking about where money actually goes. If you're someone who makes decent money but still feels broke by the end of every month, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if it ends up helping you see money differently. Because today, I'm breaking down the budget apps that can realistically help you save $300 to $500 per month in 2026. No gimmicks, no hype, just actual tools that work. Here's what we're covering. I'm going to show you why most people fail at budgeting, and it's not about willpower. Then I'll break down the actual math on how small leaks add up to thousands per year. After that, I'll give you the specific apps that work, the ones that don't, and the 2 critical mistakes that blow up even the best savings plans. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Do your own research and pick what fits your situation. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Budgeting fails for most people not because they're bad at math. It fails because of psychology. There's a concept called the pain of paying. Behavioral economists like Dan Ariely have studied this extensively. When you pay with cash, you feel it. There's friction. Your brain registers the loss. But when you tap a card or click confirm purchase on your phone, that pain is almost completely eliminated. This is why digital payments are so dangerous for your wallet. You don't feel the money leaving. Here's another one, present bias. This is our brain's tendency to prioritize immediate rewards over future benefits. That $12 lunch delivery feels good right now. The fact that it's costing you $360 per month if you do it daily? Your brain literally discounts that future pain. Think of it like this. Your spending is like a bathtub with the drain open. You can keep running water, earning more money, but if you never plug the leaks, the tub never fills up. Most people focus entirely on turning up the faucet. But the financially successful people? They plug the drain first. Now, here's the objection I always hear. But Mr. Key, I don't make enough to save. But here's what the Bureau of Labor Statistics Consumer Expenditure Survey shows. The average American household earning $50,000 to $70,000 spends over $300 monthly on food away from home. Another $200 on entertainment. And we already talked about the $167 on subscriptions. That's not an income problem. That's an awareness problem. And that's exactly where budget apps come in. They don't give you more money. They give you visibility. They show you where the leaks are. And psychologically, just the act of tracking spending reduces it by an average of 15 to 20% according to multiple financial behavior studies. You can't fix what you can't see. Okay, let's make this real with actual numbers. Let's say, conservatively, you're able to find and plug $300 per month in leaks. Not $500. Let's be conservative. Here's what $300 per month looks like if you invest it in a simple S&P 500 index fund averaging 10% annual returns, which is the historical average according to NYU Stern data going back to 1926. After 10 years, $57,000. After 20 years, $227,000. After 30 years, $678,000. From $300 a month. Now, let's break down where that $300 actually comes from. This isn't theoretical. This is based on average American spending data from BLS. First, subscription audit. Rocket Money's internal data shows their average user saves $20 per month just from finding and canceling forgotten subscriptions. Some users report saving over $100. Let's call it $40 conservatively. Second, food spending awareness. Mint, before it shut down, reported that users who tracked food spending reduced it by an average of 18%. On a $500 monthly food budget, that's $90 saved. Third, impulse purchase reduction. A 2024 Slick Deals survey found the average American spends over $314 monthly on impulse purchases. If tracking reduces that by even 30%, that's another $94. Fourth, negotiated bills. Apps like Rocket Money can negotiate bills on your behalf. Users report average annual savings of $240 on cable, internet, and phone bills. That's another $20 per month. Add it up. 40 plus 90 plus 94 plus 20 equals $244. And that's using conservative estimates. Push a little harder? You're at $300 to $500 easily. Alright, let's get specific. Which apps should you actually use in 2026? YNAB, you need a budget. This is the gold standard for active budgeters. It costs $11.99 per month, but YNAB's own user survey data claims the average new user saves $600 in their first 2 months. The philosophy is zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job. It's not passive. You have to engage. But if you do, the results are real. Rocket Money, formerly Truebill. This is for people who want something more automated. It finds subscriptions, tracks spending, and can even negotiate bills for you. The basic version is free. Premium is $3 to $12 monthly. Best for subscription audits and bill reduction. Monarch Money. This replaced Mint for a lot of people after Intuit shut Mint down in early 2024. It costs $14.99 monthly but offers clean dashboards, joint account tracking, and investment monitoring. Best for couples and comprehensive tracking. Copilot, iPhone only, but arguably the cleanest interface. It's $10.99 monthly. It uses AI to categorize spending and gives you insights without overwhelming you. Best for Apple users who want simplicity. Every dollar, Dave Ramsey's app. Free version is basic but functional. Good for beginners who want a simple zero-based budget without the learning curve of an app. Quick truth bomb. The best app is the one you'll actually use. A free spreadsheet beats a premium app you ignore. Okay, here's where people mess up. And I've seen this destroy progress over and over. Mistake 1. Treating found money as bonus money. Let's say you cancel 3 subscriptions and save $60. Most people unconsciously spend that $60 somewhere else because it feels like extra money. It's not extra. It was always your money. You just stopped losing it. The fix? The moment you identify savings, set up an automatic transfer to move that exact amount to savings. Make it invisible. Mistake 2. Going too aggressive too fast. I've seen people get excited, slash their budget to nothing, last 2 weeks, then revenge spend $300 because they feel deprived. This is why crash diets don't work, and neither do crash budgets. Start with one category. Get a win. Build momentum. Then expand. Let's recap what we covered. Your money isn't disappearing. It's leaking through invisible subscriptions, pain-free digital payments, and present bias. Budget apps don't give you more money. They give you vision. And that visibility alone can reduce spending by 15 to 20%. We broke down the math. $300 monthly invested becomes over $220,000 in 20 years. And we covered the specific apps. YNAB for active budgeters, Rocket Money for automation, Monarch for couples, Copilot for Apple users. The question isn't whether you can afford to start. It's whether you can afford not to. So here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below. Which budget app are you trying first? Or if you're already using one, which one actually worked for you? I read every comment. If this video helped you see your money differently, smash that subscribe button. I drop videos like this every week, honest money strategies, no hype, no fake promises. And remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Your situation is unique. I'll see you in the next one.